Hello, everyone. So today we'll be looking at sending forms to be completed and signed. And in my example, I will go and create a folder in my human resources folder type, and I will add a template of my employment application that I created. So I will import that in, and my next step is to assign the signatories. So I am there by default because that's the way I set it up. And now I just need to go and add my candidate, my employee. So I add Alex in and I hit next step. So typically I don't have to go back into my document. I could hit next step and send my document, but I want to show you a couple of things here. Now, on my template, the way I set it up, first look on the left-hand side, on the upper left-hand side. The signatories are there, and you'll notice that we are color-coded. So Paul is purple, Alex is orange. Now, when we look at the document, the fields that are orange that I assigned to Alex, there's several. The first one are already pre-filled with his name. So you're able to do that with the help of this little icon. You could pre-fill with whatever information. The next ones are straightforward text fields, so form fields. But this one for the date, on the right-hand side, you will see that in validation, first of all, do take note that all fields are mandatory unless you toggle to say that they're not. And you're able in the format to decide what format you want the date to be in. So I chose year, month, and date. And then just moving down my form, over here, purple coded is Paula. Paula is the HR person who needs to complete some of the information. So that will also be done. Alex will have to continue filling in information. And also, I added an attachment. I asked Alex via this little attachment icon, right? I asked Alex to send me a void check to complete his file. And then Alex will need to sign. So let's just save that and send the document out. And I'll show you now how Alex will be signing this document. But of course, first, because I have to complete some information, let me just show you here. Takes me straight back into my folder. I could hit sign your folder documents, but really I'm not signing, I'm completing information. So what position is he applying for? So let's say it's a sales rep position. The date, I have a calendar, so I could say, okay, he's starting June 2nd. Who's his manager? So I'll say it's Carolyn. Whoops, could have been Carlo, Carolyn C, and it's for a temp position. And now I'm able to submit the form. Okay, Alex will be completing his form now. So let's go see what he received. Let's go right there. And so this is what Alex will be seeing. So the name is correct. The date of birth, say, is 2000, May 30th. The address, 1234 Happy Street. The city, Montreal, Quebec, H4A3E9. Phone number and email address. There we go. Okay. Next, financial institution. So ABC Finance, Transit, institution. And up here, he could simply hit submit. And now the document PDF is completed, and he can now really go ahead and add his voided check. So let's go and do that. I have obviously not a true voided check, but It's a document that he could just add in and hit this to sign. Now, once that's completed, everybody will receive a copy of it so he could download. But what I want to show you here is rather the folder is now completed and you are able to download the data. So if it was a complex document for which you want to have a CSV with all the data from the forms on the document, well, you could do that right over here. So there you go. That's how you send forms to be completed and signed.